joined by Sydney Quadras, VP Sales for India at Trio Motion Technology. For those who might not be familiar, could you give us a quick overview of Trio Motion Technology and your role in the Indian packaging automation market?
So Trio Motion Technology is a UK-based organization. It was founded in 1987, and today we have a complete range of advanced automation solutions for different industries, but we are having a decade-long experience in the packaging domain. So as Trio Motion Technology, the name itself is, we are the motion specialists. So we have advanced automation solutions in the motion domain. So we have motion controllers from 2-axis to 128-axis on EtherCAT. We have the servo systems from 100 watts to 22 kilowatts. We have robotics, which is starting from cobots to SCARA robots to Delta and articulated. So we have the complete advanced motion control system and everything that goes into a machine builder. And when we talk about packaging, it is within the Trio DNA, and we do primary packaging, we do secondary packaging, we do tertiary packaging.
The Indian packaging industry is projected to grow at 11% CAGR, significantly outpacing global growth. What specific trends are you seeing that are driving this expansion, particularly in automation?
I think there are basically, according to me, there are four things which I would like to bring forth. One is expansion in e-commerce. Second is larger disposable incomes. There's a growing demand for packed food, basically with the millennials and the middle-age denomination in the country. And finally, it's government initiatives looking towards more green. So according to me, these are the key points which is driving the CAGR growth for India.
I understand Trio recently launched a e-boat, compact motion PLC and DX3 capable of handling various packaging applications. Can you walk us through what makes this solution particularly relevant for the Indian manufacturers?
Okay, so when we look at the increasing demand of Indian machine manufacturers, we see that machine manufacturers build simple machines, performance machines and high performance machines. So looking at this landscape, Trio Motion Technology has a complete range of products to meet the machine manufacturers' demands. So when we look at simple machines, we look at a compact motion PLC meeting those demands. We have EtherCAT solutions which meet the performance as well as the high performance solutions. Like you see, we have the FlexX Nano, we have the Flex 7 for the advanced motion control, and as well we have the servo systems. So it's a complete automation package that Trio Motion delivers to the machine builders.
With the push towards smart manufacturing, how are you integrating technologies like AI and IoT into your motion control platforms?
Okay, today there's a lot of buzz on Industry 4.0. We are now hearing Industry 5.0 coming in, and today AI is the need of the hour. The reason being, everything is going digital. So we as Trio Motion Technology also have devised or developed products which are AI enabled, and customers are feeling the need that automation suppliers should embrace AI into their portfolios. So we are working on it. We are working on something which is virtual reality, and and a lot of other things which we are developing and would be launching in the coming months.
Sustainability is becoming a key driver in packaging. How do advanced motion control systems contribute to promote more sustainable packaging operations?
According to me, sustainability, as you said, is a key driving factor. So we at Trio Motion Technology, since we are a motion specialist, we have a mechatronics way of looking at how the machine works. So depending on the validation done by our application design experts, we try to bring in higher throughput, try to bring in more functionality into the machine, which can reduce wastage, making the machines more reliable and more efficient, at the same time looking at the economics of the machine.
For packaging professionals visiting PackVision, what's the key message you want to give them?
Trio Motion Technology is a motion specialist, and we have a decade of experience in the packaging domain. Packaging is a DNA of Trio. I would in fact welcome and invite all packaging professionals to come and experience innovation in packaging by Trio.
How can interested manufacturers connect with Trio to explore these solutions further?
So Trio Motion Technology India Private Limited, we are headquartered in MIDC Bosri in Pune, and we have a pan-India reach. So we support customers to build their machines with Trio automation solutions on pan-India level. So and we also have our website www.triomotion.com. So customers can visit us on our websites, post their queries, and get connected with us at our headquarters. We are more than willing to support, help, develop fast and efficient machines with the Trio Motion technology, as we are the motion specialists.
What are the biggest challenges you are hearing from packaging machines builders today, and how is Trio addressing these?
I think today Indian machine manufacturers have multiple challenges. The first being they have to build machines which are more reliable and have a longer life, which means longevity has to be much higher. The second is as the consumer needs change in the evolving scenario of today, the machines need to be adapted to those changes. The third thing is sustainability, lesser waste is now becoming a key factor. So understanding all these challenges which the machine builder faces today, as Trio, as we said that we have a decade of experience in packaging. So we have our hardware solutions, and we have our backbone, which is the Motion IX core, which is the software background, which helps machine builders to develop faster machines, at the same time reducing waste. At the same time, as I said, there are a lot of changes which the market today demands. So we understand what are those changes, and we try to incorporate those changes in a shorter time frame. These are some of the key things which Trio with the machine builders try to bring into the market. Highly reliable, efficient and cost-effective solution to the industry.